Hi, welcome back. This is Urbanish Wildlife. This is Pierre B. This video is about kind of a group of eagles I saw. There's definitely a nesting pair in this area where there's a couple lakes. But there's been immature eagles coming around, and I actually went to shoot ducks. When I saw there were like 3 immature eagles in a tree, I started getting more interested in the eagles than the ducks. This is a video of an interaction that I call respect your elders, because you have to respect your elders. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, hit notifications. I'll respond to any comments, and smash that like button. See you later.